Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, January 26, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we are starting to see some of that snow, sleet, and rain starting to develop throughout the region very slowly. As I've been explaining for the past couple of days, this is a light precipitation event. Notice over here, you have your snow starting to develop over eastern Pennsylvania. Visibility is around 7 miles. The lowest I've seen so far is about 3 miles. This is a light to moderate precipitation event, and for the most part, it's going to be light, and temperatures are going to be rather marginal. You already see throughout the region, your coldest temperatures are over here towards Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, and the Catskills, where temperatures are in the lower to mid 20s. As you head down towards the coast, temperatures range from the upper 20s to lower 30s in the New York City metro, mid 30s in the Philadelphia metro, upper 30s down towards Wildwood already. So clearly this is already going to be rain down here. We're going to take a look at the surface map. There's our low pressure system. It will continue to move due east and remain south of the region. And you can see on the radar here our first wave of precipitation. This is going to be supported by what we call isotropic lifting. As this upper level low collapses and heads towards the coastal waters, this will all fill in and produce a light to moderate snow sleet mix over, let's say, the Poconos, the Catskills, Connecticut, New York City metro, northern New Jersey, and that's where you're going to see your best chance for accumulation. Down here towards Philadelphia and central New Jersey, more of a rain-snow mix. You might squeeze out an inch, but at this point I have doubts on that. And then down towards southern New Jersey is pretty much just rain. So it's not a major event in any way, shape, or form, but especially for this evening's rush hour, watch out for those slick roadways, because definitely with this precipitation, that it will be a concern. Not snow covered, but definitely slick. On our infrared satellite picture, you can see our strongest lifting is all to the south. This is all getting suppressed to the south and not much in the way of strong lifting here. This is why we're expecting light precipitation for the most part. And this storm is weakening as it's approaching. So again, keyword here is light. So let's dive into this forecast for today. A mix of snow, sleet, and rain, a wintry mixed bag, with temperatures rising into the lower to mid 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, a few lingering snow showers into tomorrow morning, let's say about 8 a.m., and everything clears out after 9 a.m. Low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. For tomorrow afternoon, look for a scattered cloud cover. This storm will remain suppressed to the south, but it's going to be important. I'll explain why in a moment. Look for temperatures tomorrow afternoon range from the lower to mid 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. Now on Thursday, this storm basically what we call bombs out, right? And as a result, it pulls Arctic air southward. So don't be surprised to get a few snow showers. On Thursday, temperatures don't move all that much. Look for low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. It's going to be cold, but it isn't going to be as cold as what you're going to see on Friday. Friday, Arctic high pressure will be building in. Can't rule out a flurry. Temperatures will range from the single digits to mid-teens for lows, and high temperatures will range from the mid-teens to lower 20s. Yeah, it's going to be cold. How about Saturday? Well, it's going to be even colder. Look for lows in the single digits to lower teens and high temperatures in the mid-teens to lower 20s over the interior and mid-20s to lower 30s along the coast. Now on Sunday, it's going to be a little bit warmer. Look for increasing cloud cover. I'm going to keep this dry though. Look for temperatures to range from the single digits below zero to single digits above zero over the interior, single digits to mid-teens along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s. This storm will have to be watched very carefully because on Monday it will start to redevelop off the coast. Now, the speed in which this redevelops is going to be very key in the overall forecast of the storm. And there's a variety of impacts that can happen here. This storm could take longer to redevelop and it could lead to mostly rain along the coast, heavy snow over the interior, or it could redevelop further east and produce kind of like rain, snow showers, and then it clears out on Monday and Monday night to Tuesday. Or it could do this, where it basically redevelops off the Delmarva Peninsula, takes what we call the benchmark track towards 40 north, 70 north, 40 west, And what that basically does is support a major winter storm for the entire region. So we don't know yet, but understand Monday evening into Tuesday, a good potential for a major winter storm. We'll watch that very carefully. Temperatures on Monday will range from the mid-teens to lower 20s for lows. High temperatures in the upper 20s to mid-30s. On Tuesday, look for lows in the mid-20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower to mid-30s. So it's going to be a very interesting time period once again. But as I have been stressing with these potential storms, a lot can change over the next 5 to 7 days. So we'll keep an eye on this and see what takes place. That is your forecast discussion. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.